Today I'm unboxing the TCL S45H Sound Bar. Let's see if it truly elevates home entertainment. First, check out the sleek, modern packaging. I'm already excited. Dolby Atmos on a 2.0 channel bar. Opening the box, everything's neatly organized inside. Here's the sound bar, lightweight with a premium finish. Accessories include remote, power cable, wall mounts. Quick start guide is simple and easy to follow. Let's get this set up in my living room. Plugging it in, the LED lights up instantly. Connecting via Bluetooth is fast and hassle-free. Pairing with my phone took just a few seconds. So let's play some music, testing the streaming feature. Wow, the clarity and depth are seriously impressive. Vocals sound crisp, bass is punchy but not overwhelming. Switching to a movie, let's try Dolby Atmos. The surround effect feels immersive, fills the whole room. I can hear details from every direction. Dialogue is clear, effects are dynamic and lifelike. Now let's test the auto room calibration. It adjusts sound based on my room's acoustics. Setup takes less than a minute. Super convenient. After calibration, audio feels even more balanced. No distortion, even at higher volumes. Switching between music and movies is seamless. Bluetooth connection remains stable throughout playback. Remote control is responsive and intuitive. I love the minimalist design, fits any decor. Let's talk about Dolby Atmos again. It creates a genuine 3D sound experience, perfect for action movies and live concerts. DTS Virtual X adds even more spatial depth. Feels like I'm in the middle of the action. Music streaming is effortless, no lag or dropouts. Bluetooth range covers my entire living room. Auto room calibration is a standout feature. It customizes sound for your unique space. No more fiddling with manual EQ settings. Audio is always optimized, no matter the room. Let's compare with my old soundbar. TCL S45H is louder, clearer, and more immersive. Setup is much easier and faster too. No complicated wires, just plug and play. Ideal for tech-savvy users and beginners alike. If you love movies, this is a game changer. Music lovers will appreciate the rich, detailed sound. Perfect for parties, movie nights, or daily listening. I'm genuinely impressed by the performance. TCL delivers high-end features at an affordable price. Bluetooth streaming means no more tangled cables. Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X are usually premium, but TCL brings them to everyone. Auto room calibration is a hidden gem. It's like having a personal audio engineer. Sound adapts perfectly to any environment. Wall mounting is easy and looks great. Remote lets you control everything from your couch. Volume, modes, and Bluetooth all at your fingertips. The bar itself is slim and unobtrusive. Fits under most TVs without blocking the screen. Let's talk about any downsides. No subwoofer included, but bass is still strong. For deeper bass, you might want an add-on. Otherwise, it's perfect for most users. I'd recommend this for anyone upgrading their setup, especially home entertainment enthusiasts and tech fans. Ready to elevate your audio experience? Check out the TCL S45H Soundbar today. Link in the description. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. See you in the next unboxing and review video. TCL S45H, my new favorite soundbar. Transform your living room audio today. Enjoy immersive sound and effortless streaming. Upgrade your home entertainment with TCL. Bye for now. Happy listening. Don't forget to hit the like button.